Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here. I'm actually just sitting in my living room right now because my dogs are outside and they're like sun tanning. They're having a great time. But I like to be able to keep an eye on them. So that's just why I'm here instead of upstairs like usual. But I wanted to hop on and do a quick video to talk to you guys about how to properly answer customers' questions, especially new customers. I'm not perfect by any means, and I'm not trying to judge either. But a great example, okay? I went to it's called a cherry festival the other day, and I saw this vendor there, which I've never seen this company before, but I was just attracted to the labeling of the products. Okay, so this isn't talking about any certain company, and I don't want to mention names either, so I won't. But it was a company where they sold cleaning products, and I was attracted to their labels because it looked nice and it looked like something that I would actually buy in store. And I thought, hey, well, she's obviously with a company in direct sales. So I like to support other people who are in these companies, right? Because I do it, I sell it, so I want to support other people. But we were actually running out of time. We had to go, so I didn't get a chance to actually look and buy something from her booth, area. But I was still thinking about it when I got home, and the festival was only on for one day, so I didn't get a chance to go back either because I would have preferred to buy from her. But anyway, so I looked up the company online, and I'm part of a group on Facebook called the Direct Sales Group or something like that. And lo and behold, a post popped up about that company, her saying, or not her, but like somebody else who sold with the company saying, hey guys, who wants to try some cleaning products? Sorry, this is my puppy. Hi, Teddy. My other puppy, I have three, and the other two are outside right now. But so the link popped up, the post popped up, and all her post said was, hey everybody, I sell cleaning products. Feel free to look at my page here to join my Facebook group. Feel free to order at the page here. This is on sale, click here. Like, it was just a long, boring post, if I can say that. Sorry if you're the one watching the video, probably not. But it was a boring post, and it just didn't look good. It just kind of looked like a spam post, which we've all seen them, copy paste, that's it, right? I can't stand those. But I clicked like because nobody else had clicked like, and I actually wanted to learn more about the company. So I clicked like because I know that she will see that like and then hopefully follow up with me. So I wanted to give her another chance, right? So she did. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna let my puppy outside. Let me just pause the recording for a second. Hi guys, so that's what happens when you work from home. You have to let the puppies out, but sorry about that. And I did actually move a little bit because my legs were cramping up. I'm not used to sitting on the floor, but it actually had the best lighting. Anyway, so she did. She followed up with me. She sent me a message, but all she said was, hi, you liked my post. That's all she said. So this video is kind of about what not to do, but also how to talk to customers. Because again, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to judge. I probably sound judgy, but I'm just thinking, okay, I'm not going to buy from you because you clearly don't want my money. I'm going to buy from somebody else who wants my money and who appreciates me buying from them. I don't know. I just wasn't impressed. So she sends me that, hi, you liked my link. So I'm still giving her another chance. So I sent her another message, and I said to her, what did I say to her? I should have looked at the post or the message before I did this video, but I kind of just said to her, oh, yes, I saw your product at a vendor event, but I didn't have enough time to buy. I would like to know more about the product. So she sends me another message, and she goes, click here to view our product. That's it. That's it. Does she really want me to buy from her? Again, I'm not going to buy from her if that's how she speaks to me. She's not being rude, but she could clearly care less. But at the same time, maybe she doesn't know how to deal with customers. Maybe she hasn't been in customer service before. I'm used to working with people, so maybe I just know how to interact with people. Again, I'm not perfect, but I wouldn't just send somebody a message saying, click this link to view. So What did I do? I sent her another message back and I said to her, I was kind of hoping for more information. Haha. I can click the link anytime, but can you tell me more about your opinions on the products? She sends me a message back and all she says is, I like all of them. I'm not even going to message her anymore because this is getting ridiculous and I'm actually getting annoyed because I want to buy. Like, that's the funny thing, you guys. I need soap, actually. I need new laundry detergent. I would rather buy from her or from, that company than them all. Seriously. So, yeah. So I wanted to talk to you guys about what to do and what not to do. So for customer service, if somebody's sending you a message and they want to know more about the product, sound excited and please do not copy and paste a message. We all know what spamming looks like. We all know what not to do. I know it takes extra work to write a personal message, but I'm not saying to write a paragraph either because that is too much. How I would have handled the situation. So let me say what I would do. So if she were to, let's say she would send me a message asking me about the product. I would say to her, oh my goodness, thank you so much for your message. It's nice to hear that you saw our company, our product at an event. What interests you about the product? Like, what are you looking to try? Doesn't that sound so much better than click the link to view? Nobody wants to do that. And believe me, I did click the link before, and the website looks awful. Sorry, I shouldn't say that, but you can tell it's an old school website. They don't pay money for marketing, none of that. Like, it just looks like a really bad website and it's kind of confusing. I let them out again. Sorry guys, or back in. I've looked at the website. It looked confusing. I wasn't interested and I just kind of was hoping to get won over by a sales rep instead, right? So anyways, but doesn't that sound so much better than just click here to view my product? Yeah. That's what I would have done. And then hopefully the customer would respond back with some products that they're interested in trying. And then I would give them the links. And I would say, hey, well, you had mentioned that you need new laundry detergent. I actually love our laundry detergent because of the all natural ingredients in it. I do a lot of laundry, so trust me, I need something. I also have very sensitive skin, so it's not a want, but I need a natural laundry detergent, and this one's actually a good price too. And isn't the label just so nice? See how I'm tying in personal stuff? I am answering her questions, but I would also give her the link to that laundry detergent, and if there's more, show her all of the different ones that I have, but then I would take it a step further and say, plus this month only, if you want to try our laundry detergent, if you buy something else, I am able to give you a discount. I don't know, say something like that, right? Doesn't that sound so much better than click the link to view or I like all products? Don't sound like a robot. Don't spam people. Answer the customer's questions, because believe me, if they're coming to you to ask a question, they want to buy, but they want to know more. It makes perfect sense. I am not going to buy from that other person. I'm going to find somebody who actually knows what they're talking about, who wants my money. But I need laundry detergent. I need some soap. And I didn't know there was a direct sales company out there who sold that stuff. But I'm also a sucker for labels. I like nice labels, and they just have really nice labels. So yeah, you guys, so I hope this helps. Oh, and let me just quickly mention, make sure to follow up. So let's say that customer who I've been talking to about laundry detergent, whatever. Let's say that she doesn't answer me back right away. Follow up with her the next day and say, hey, I just thought that I would follow up. I just got home from work. Or say, I just sold a laundry detergent to another customer and it's her second time purchasing from me. And I thought of you because you mentioned it. would you like to buy that laundry detergent? I would love to give you a discount, you know, something like that. Follow up, you guys, because people get busy. They're not ignoring you. They're just probably busy and they forgot. We all get a lot of Facebook notifications, right? So maybe she just lost it and forgot who she was talking to. That happens to me all the time. I'll be like, shoot, I was talking to a Samantha, Susan, Shannon, darn, what was her name again? And then I lose it because they don't follow up. So make sure to follow up. So I hope this helped you guys. I apologize for letting my dogs in and out all the time, but I wanted to let them suntan outside. Like, this is the nice thing about working from home, is you can do a video like this anywhere. I know it's not the most professional. I apologize. I hope the lighting's okay, but it looks really nice right now. So that's just kind of why I thought that I would do it here. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.